What's up guys, it's Phil and it's time for another update. So this week I'm starting off pretty strong. I actually finished out last week with a little bit of a bonus on the end. I actually had like Friday, I didn't have to do anything, so I spent a lot of time in my shop getting stuff cleaned up, getting things ready for other projects, doing some other side projects, and actually setting up my schedule for the following month. Two things I missed on there though. The first thing is that I actually have a vacation coming up and I totally didn't realize that that was there. So I'm gonna have to reschedule that client now. And I also had my client that I was supposed to get starting at this morning, she was not available and wants me to start on Wednesday. That's not a big deal, but my personal goal of getting so far ahead was to be able to start every project on a Monday so that if I get my part done and it's ready for paint, I can have my painter there on Thursday or Friday and I might have some time to go do some handyman work or hang with the family or do something cool. Now that we're going to be getting into the cooler seasons, I wanted to have a little bit more time if possible. I've got another client that I'm doing some small work for, a little laundry room redo and some wainscoting, and I'm doing a little doggy door upstairs. All of that stuff is pretty quick stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and go do her stuff today. I called her and she said, yeah, come on out first thing in the morning. I said, great, I will be there. So I'm gonna go out and do that stuff today and go ahead and get that stuff worked on. Hopefully knock it out in a day. But I've just been going on and I actually need to go ahead and get to work. So I'm going to run up to the hardware store and I'm going to go to her house and get started, then come back here and work on the other stuff. This little doggy door I'm going to do as a DIY project as well, so if you'd like to see that, click through some of my other videos and you will see the doggy door DIY. It's like a saloon style miniature barn door, so that's really cool. So with all that being said, me and Yoshi are going to get to work. just like that, I am done. That library turned out awesome. It's probably one of the better looking pieces I've done. I don't normally get to see my pieces when they're like finished and done and like decorated. Normally it's like finished and sometimes the handles aren't even on them yet or whatever, and then the clients will sometimes send me photos or link me to their Instagram later, but I don't get to see a lot of like fully done ones like this. And this library was floor to ceiling, nothing but books. It looked awesome. So I'm really stoked on that and the other projects I just finished up. So I have got a lot happening this summer, and I know what you're thinking if you're watching this right now. Phil, it's not summer. You'd be absolutely right. I kind of fell off the wagon with these updates because I got extremely bogged down and just thought, you know what, I've got some other stuff I'm working on for YouTube. I'm not gonna do an update for a minute. So I've still been recording, and my next update is going to show like what I've done through the rest of this summer, but I just haven't been doing these kind of weekly updates right now, and you know, that's fine. I'm actually getting ready for my dining table push, my Thanksgiving dining table push right now. I've got a couple of weeks left to get those done. I only got a couple of orders this year, but I'm going to be doing all of them out of rough cut lumber, which is going to be just awesome. It just fills my little woodworking heart to be able to go through and actually do these tables, milling my own lumber and all that kind of stuff. It's just awesome, and I'm excited for it. So make sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications to see when those updates come in. I know I've got my dining table series that I'm going to be posting around now that you can check out how my dining tables are made and how I do them. It's going to be multiple videos, and then at the end I'm going to combine them all into one big long video. If you're interested in that or really just need something to fall asleep to, that's going to be there. Make sure to hit me up on social media, on Instagram, Facebook, and the other one, Twitter, I think. I am all at PMK Woodworking. You know, it's all the same. So find me on there, ask me any questions you have, give me product recommendations, or if there's videos that you would like to see me do, hey, shoot me a tweet or hit me up on Instagram and let me know what you would like to see, or even comment below in this video. But with all that being said, guys, I've got to start unloading some firewood and start getting things ready for the cooler weather that's coming in right now. So I'm going to get out there and get to work, but I appreciate you guys watching. I hope you enjoy these videos, and I hope you keep watching. We'll talk to you next time. See ya!
Ow.